So today in this video, I'll show you how to make an additional 120 bucks with your current customer just by paying attention, right? So spring comes and everyone tells you, go market, right? Get new customers, get new customers, get new customers, get new customers. And guess what you're doing? A lot of times we are neglecting our loyal customers, which are the customers that we already have, right? Yeah, taking out the ones that you probably, hopefully, by this time of the year, got rid of. And who are those? The ones that don't pay or the ones that always complain, right? Because again, let's face it, you may think that you're doing a wonderful job, and some people will say, well, you're not up to my standards. And that is just part of business, right? That's what we do. So this is a current customer that I have, and throughout the whole season, she kept emphasizing the fact that she wanted the area behind her backyard cleaned out because there's a lot of snakes in the back there, and she mainly just wanted it cleaned out or whatever the case might be. So she lives in a area where they have a lot of they have an HOA. So again, she had to get the approval. But when she kind of mentioned it, I told her, I said, listen, during the wintertime when things get kind of slow for me, I will definitely come out there, get it cleaned out, and keep it clean for you. Now, as you can tell, this job does not require any trailer or anything else, right? And you can tell, the grass is dormant. And yeah, just showing you a shot. I don't have a trailer. But getting back to the story, during the winter, I came out here and I think it took 2 to 3 different trips. But got the area cleaned out. And now I am going to spray it, right? Yes, even though it doesn't look like it needs to be sprayed, we need to control the vegetation, because even though this is winter time, the vegetation is growing back, as you can tell, and will grow back in the spring and summer. This thing is going to be like, I didn't do anything to it, right? So there were trees and stuff like that. We had a tree service come out and cut down the trees and just kind of clean this up. So in saying this, now oh, by the way, the solution is water, dish soap, and vinegar. So this during the winter will take a little bit longer to show the effects, but during the summertime, this is going to kill this vegetation real fast. And this is going to be a monthly service, because basically she wants it maintained, and the easiest way to maintain it is to spray it once a month, right? Makes sense. So what am I trying to convey, guys, is that your job is to take care of your customer. You are a problem fixer, okay? That's what you are. The customer has an issue with their property, and you come in and you fix it for them. So that is my task here. And every month, basically, I'll come out and just spray this and keep it nice and pretty for her. So whenever you go out to your customer's property, you have to look around and see what needs to be done. Now, all you have to do is, again, you have your customer's telephone number, take a picture, write down the price, and send it to them. All your customer is going to tell you is yes or no. Excuse me. I've had customers do that, quite a bit. And some of them procrastinate, and next thing you know, they turn around and have me do it, right? But by that time, the price have increased because whatever task was double the work. It took too long, it grew too much, or whatever the case might be. So it's a little bit more. But again, guys, your goal this spring is take care of your current customers. Just drop by the property, look at what they have, and give them suggestions, and you will increase your profit and don't have to really worry too much about picking up new customers. So yeah. All right, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Have a blessed one. See you on the next one. Pop smoke. Peace.